you want after this club? You know I get nasty.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing my little car tour today. I've actually never given a car tour before, so I'm gonna do a small car tour and I'm gonna be showing you guys my car and things that I want to do to update my car, but I'm just not gonna do it right now. I might update my car. I might actually end up getting a new car. I'm not sure. My car keeps having problems. I really wanted to keep it for a long time until I saved up for my dream car, but I don't know if she's gonna let me do that. Right now, the only problem I'm having is that my AC doesn't work and my dad is gonna fix that. That's who I have to fix my car, my dad. So I don't really have to worry about fixing my car or going to get my car fixed because I have a dad who knows how to fix cars. So that's a blessing. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my car. So this is my Honda. It's a 2003 Honda. I call her Big Bertha. I don't know why I gave her that ugly name, but I actually really love this car. I want to get my headlights changed and I want to see what I can do to fix that. I'm pretty sure it had cracked or something. It's on that side too. I'm pretty sure it might have cracked or something and they just used that to seal it. I want to see if I can like maybe sand it down and then paint the whole car the same color. The car actually needs a paint job. First I need to wash the car. The front of the car is so dirty, but it really needs a paint job. I want to repaint it silver, especially back here. The paint is really bad. I need to get this part right here. I can probably fix that myself. I know I can sand this down and repaint it. I have like a dent right here, and then the back of the car, yeah, it needs to be painted as well. But yeah, I love my car. Now we're just gonna go ahead and go in the inside of the car now. Oh yeah, I needed to get some seat covers. I saw on Amazon. This is honestly the only seat that needs to be redone. This seat over here is okay, and those in the back are seat covers on Amazon that I can get that are leather, and they're like $40 for 2 pair. So this is the before of my Honda. Yeah, I need to wipe her down. I already vacuumed her, but I need to wipe her down. And let me put my keys in and show you guys I do have lights. I don't know if they're gonna come on right now. Yeah, they probably won't come on until I crank my car up. I figured out why my lights weren't on. I already unplugged the lights. Well, it's not attached to the seats. And I got them back here too. But yeah, I have lights in the front. This one right here, I need to put some more tape on the back or something so it can stay. I'll figure it out. And then I got some in the back too. And there's Yara's seat. Thank you, baby. That's Yara's seat right there. And that's just the box of stuff I got in my little purse. If you guys want to see this purse, it's on the other side. It's cute though, but I have a Shein video up and you guys can go see my little fall stuff I bought. Yes, I have a sunroof. Honestly, I hate cars without sunroof because I feel so claustrophobic, and this right here just makes me so happy. This car actually came with a not a touch screen. They was not doing that back in the day. It actually came with a screen, a GPS screen or whatever, but that doesn't work anymore. So I would probably definitely need to replace this and update it. I could really update this whole thing, honestly. But that's the reason I'm saying I don't want to put money into this car if it's not going to last me. So hopefully the car stays, you know, doing pretty good. I'm going to get copyrighted. So far, I just have these 3 scrunchies in here. Stop. I have these 3 scrunchies, and I had, let me take my key out. This right here is the key that I got from Shein. I love it so much. It is just so freaking cute to me. I have this puff ball didn't come with it. I actually had this myself. And then it came with this little code thingy, which I honestly don't know what it's for. So I just put 0 to 9 on here. And then it has this cute little ringy thing. It has the cover for my key. And yeah, it's just super cute. This girl done kicked her shoes off and made herself comfortable. Okay, let me let these windows down. Let me fix that. Yeah, mommy gotta fix that.
Oh no.
Oh.
Fix that.
Yeah, we fixed it. Okay, and we can let the sunroof back. just so grateful. I'm so grateful to have a car in general. I remember walking, and those walks were not fun. Nope. So I'm just grateful to have a car. It is such a blessing, and I know that when I do get my dream car, I'm gonna take care of it just like I take care of this car. I take care of this car like it's a Mercedes, child. I love my car, and I'm just so grateful for it. So when I get my dream car, I'm gonna be grateful for that too. And if I haven't told y'all, I'm thinking for my first car that I buy, because my daddy bought me this car. My first car that I buy is actually going to be a 𝒮𝑒𝒶 Sportage 2022. Those things are so nice. That's what I want. And if I, I be out here doing it big, I really want me a Mercedes AMG GLE, I think that's what it is. Y'all, I ain't really into cars like that, but I try to remember the cars that I want. And then I also like the Porsche, the electric Porsche. I saw this girl named Chrissy, I think that's her name, or Christy, something like that, on Instagram, and she has a beautiful Porsche, electric Porsche, and I think I really want one. Yara, say hey. Oh, I gotta go do my baby's hair, y'all. Don't talk about her. Let me just finish giving y'all the tour. What am I doing? All over the place. But anyways, this is the part that I want to get updated. But it still works pretty fine. It's still cute. Right now I have one of these pop-it little glade things. They smell so freaking good. I think my daddy messed this up. I honestly don't know what it is. I tried getting it out. I probably would have to scrape it off. I don't know. I gotta fix this. Like, see what the heck all of this is. It probably dried up hand sanitizer too, but it's not coming off. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I really don't have much in my car. First of all, I try to keep it as clean as possible. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna put this stuff in there. I didn't tell y'all, I broke this right here. The car is old, so I'm sure it just wore out, but I broke this part right here, so I bought a replacement. To fix that, so we're gonna fix that today. And surprisingly, I got the right color. Greg was saying that it wasn't the right color, but I definitely got the right color. I have this phone holder, and these aren't new, by the way. And I have this phone holder right here, but I'm gonna wipe the bottom of this one down because it re-sticks once you wipe the bottom. I'm gonna wipe the bottom of this down and then wipe that up there, and I'm gonna put it back up there and see if that works. Okay, y'all. No. Hopefully y'all can see me. I'm just gonna wipe this down. I'm not doing anything important right now. Where did I get this from anyways? I think I got it from Ross, maybe. I hope it sticks again. There's so much stuff on it. No, man. Why does my video keep cutting off? Okay, so we're gonna try to stick that right back here again. Okay, we got us a strong little stick. Okay, it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. So I guess just wiping it down helps, and then you just pull these parts right here out so the phone can sit properly. And yeah, but I'm not gonna do it that way. I need it turned sideways so I can do this video. And then I just push those. If I push these right here, just releases the phone. Anyways, we're gonna put y'all in there now. Okay, I got y'all in there now. So I'm gonna turn y'all towards my steering wheel. And we're gonna go ahead and wipe the steering wheel down first of all. We're gonna wipe her down, and then we're gonna put the steering wheel cover back on. Come on, Ivy, coming up here. Why does my camera keep doing that? Is my stuff on low battery mode or something? On low power mode, so I don't get why it keeps cutting off. Anyways, we gonna wipe her down. And I got all of these, well, I'll tell you where I got this stuff from. Ew, that is dirty. And I've cleaned this before. Can y'all see that? That's nasty. Maybe, I don't know what the hell that is. I should probably do a video cleaning my car too. I gotta keep tapping the screen because it keeps going out. Okay, so this was like $4, almost $5 on Shein. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. It's actually pretty cute. Y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna block this sun. I probably should have fixed my thing first. Can y'all see? Okay, if I hold it right here, you can see it. It's like, I was gonna say it's blonde. It's like a beige color. It's really cute. I felt like it went with my aesthetics. Oh, this might be a little tough to get on here. I thought it was gonna slide right on. It goes with my aesthetics. So this is cute.
Dada.
Girl, you do not see your daddy. This baby calls everybody dada, and her dada is right in the house. I don't like that. I mean, I don't know who her daddy is. Y'all, that man don't look nothing like her daddy. Her daddy is light skinned. So it looks cute or whatever. Let me show y'all. It's pretty, and then my little key set over here that I got from Shein. Yes, okay. I like it. It's cute. It's getting what I wanted it to give. Okay. So we got that out the way. What else do we have over here? Yeah, I told you this is not really like too much going on with my car. I really don't like putting too much in the car. Stop! I let my car to feel free. So I got this UV umbrella, but it's also very good for the rain. It's like a beige color, and I'm gonna open it because I'm extra, and I just want to see. You trying to hide? She's trying to hide from the big truck, y'all. But yeah, I'm very extra, and I want to see how the umbrella looks. It's cute. I'm holding it out the sunroof. You like that? This is the umbrella, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's black. But it's supposed to block the sun out. And it's definitely doing the job. You want to hold it? Yeah. Yeah. It protects us from the rain. So yeah, it's cute. Oh no, is it going to go down? Question. Okay, there we go. Y'all, that was cute or whatever. So that was real cute or whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get it as cute as they had it. Huh? No, we ain't gonna put it back over there. And then we're gonna put her back into her bag. Oh, you breaking stuff, baby. Move. So I'm gonna put that on the side of my door. Put this trash over here. So I just put that in the side of the door over here. I'll show you guys in a minute. Let me go ahead and finish this first. Okay, so now. And I'll just stick this one in here. No. Okay, next I'm gonna do the last two things I got for my car. This is a keychain. This is just for like accidents or whatever. You can cut yourself out of your seatbelt, and if you need to smash the window out, you use this and a needle pops out and it smashes the window for you. So I'm probably gonna keep that. I want to say on my keychain, but that doesn't seem smart. So I'm just gonna keep it right here in my little compartment, and yeah, it can stay right there. Last but not least, I'm about to fix my sun visor so that it can work properly. I watched it. No, put it back. No, baby. I watched a video on how to do it, and hopefully I get it right.
Wow. Thank you.
I'm gonna put y'all right there. I actually can see better right there. So I'm supposed to push this little button that's back here, and then I do the same thing and I put this in. I did it. Okay. Pull that one out. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
I'm good. And maybe I just supposed to pop this in? I don't know. Oh, okay, you turn it to the side. And there. That was an easy fix. Oh. Y'all don't know how bad I needed that fix. I wonder if I can take this out. Cause this right here be flopping. And it's because this piece right here is broken. But if I take that out, if I take this out, cause see, if I hold it like that, it's gonna flop because it's a middle piece missing out of here. Let me get y'all. Like a middle piece. My phone is really hot. I think that's why it's doing it. But it's a middle piece right here that's actually broken, which is why it keeps flopping. It's just running wild in here. Start trying to do this video if you're running around everywhere. So y'all, this is my steering wheel. If she lets you see it, there's a little keychain. This stuff right here. Yeah, that's now fixed. Stop, baby. I have my umbrella over here in the corner, and now all I have to do is clean my car, but I'm not doing that today, so yeah, save that for another video. Got this hot car, y'all, and call it a day. No, it's not up. Oh. Yeah, we finna get out of here. I need to put my my little thing up so the sun don't get in here. Let me go get that out of the trunk. Girl, stop! Sit over here. Come here. Like that. Okay. Let me get this out of the trunk. Go back over there. Move. Go back over there, baby. Girl, get up. Go. Back over there. I'm gonna put this in the window. I should have bought a new one, but I just didn't want to spend that extra money if I already had one. I'm gonna get a new one day. But I'm gonna put this in the window because it is actually really hot out here right now. I really don't even know how to use these things. I don't even know how to use it for real. Hold on. Yeah, that'll do. Now, I can use my little thing right there to keep it from falling. But yeah, just keep the sun out of here. Y'all might can see the car tour better. But anyways, just in case you couldn't see it the first time, here is everything in the car. I got a little charger from 5 Below. This came from Dollar General. Actually, I have more scents over here. So hush, baby. I can actually show y'all. These are the scents right here. See what I use in my car? Stop! And then I just keep some lotion in my car. And I need to get my little registration book and put all my put all my information in there. Yeah, I'm finna go because my daughter's doing the most. Okay, we're finna get down. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And that is the end of my 2003 Honda Accord tour. Say thank you for watching.